So a lot of people like to do the rope push down. However, if you go to failure with these, you might have noticed that you're still strong up here, getting it down here, but finishing the rep out and locking out becomes super hard. And that causes you to end your set early because you're not able to go through the full range of motion. You're not able to lock out right here. The reason why you're not able to lock out is because, one, your muscle is the strongest in the middle position when my arm orientation is set up like this. The second reason, and a very important reason, at the bottom, notice how I'm pulling apart the rope to lock out. This means my triceps are moving in different directions than the cable. That means it's a very ineffective way to move the weight with my triceps. For example, this would be a better tricep exercise. Here I'm doing the double cable tricep pushdown. So now I'm generating peak tension in the middle where my tricep is the strongest, so that's great. But I'm also not limited in the shortened position because my tricep is lining up with the direction that the cables are moving. So the lockout is not hard, and this is just an exercise that's gonna feel way more natural than the rope push down.